Hello, friends. I am coming to you from the great state of Louisiana and in the city of New Orleans. That's right, we're doing a video on our New Orleans time here, and I'm starting off with this hotel tour. This Homewood Suites, located at 901 Poydras. I'm probably murdering that name of the street, Poydras, right in downtown New Orleans, about a 10-minute walk from Bourbon Street. I am going to give you a detailed tour of this. I'm showing you the outside. You can see it's right in the heart of downtown, and that first area you saw over there was the porte cochere, which also serves as their valet parking because it is valet only. All right, we're stepping inside now so that you can get a first look. This is the area where they serve the free included breakfast. And let me tell you, that breakfast is really pretty doggone good. I'm going to give you some pictures of that a little later. I had no complaints. The eggs weren't runny or powdery. The coffee was pretty good. That was a good included breakfast. Here's the front lobby area. This is just another look as you first walk in. And here on the other side, it's like their little sundries area. You can buy New Orleans branded wear and souvenirs. And then, of course, like I said, sundries here. You can pick up some things, some cold drinks and items that you might have forgotten, or some snacks right here in this area. I promised you a tour of the area when it's all set up for breakfast, so let's go. As you saw right there, they have the whole coffee station, tea, hot water, all right there. And then as you go in, you go past all of the fruits. They had apples, and I think they had oranges and bananas. And then you come over here to the hot section, and I'll just lift up each one of these little containers so you can see what they're offering. And these did change out daily and also throughout the day. Like sometimes there was bacon, and then maybe if you sat and munched on it long enough, you go back and there would be ham or sausage. So you can see all of these items that they have. It was a pretty good selection. I didn't have any complaints, and I never ate all of it. It was way too much. And I like that. We like having choices. And as you can see, there was cold water and cold cereal. And here's just a quick look at one of my breakfast plates. It was all good. Now let's take a look at the room itself. You see the hallways are really pretty large. We're going to check out room 600. All right, as soon as you step in. Now, the room is very lived in. We have been here for a day, so it's lived in, but just take a look at this gorgeous and huge 2-bedroom suite here at Homewood Suites on Poydras Street, 901, I think it is, Poydras, in New Orleans, Louisiana. As soon as you turn to the left, you have a 4-seater table and a telephone. A full kitchen. This kitchen is completely loaded. Everything you would need to feed a family of at least 10 people can sleep here. So you have a microwave, you have a dishwasher, you have a stovetop, a sink, a full-size refrigerator with ice maker, and everything is fully stocked. Anything that you would need, dishes, plates, cups, bowls, it's all here. All of it is here. And you even have soft closed doors. So fully stocked kitchen, ready to go. So if you want to save money and cook for yourself, you got it. Straight ahead, you have your large living area. This is a queen size sofa sleeper. Another table or 2 tables, chair, lighting, very cool lighting. You have your large television. And then this dresser area for whoever will be sleeping out here. In the sofa sleeper area, you have 2 bedrooms. Let's go to the bedroom to the right. Hi. Queen bed. Here is your closet. Plenty of room in that closet. Everything you need. your dresser with plenty of outlets. I thought that was cool. Your large television, dresser. Once again, those soft closed drawers. Over here, you actually have a balcony. So you can sit out and lay bon ton, let the good times roll. Very cool view of downtown. Another dresser, lamp. Over here, you already noticed that we have the full-length mirror to check out your fit. And then you have your bathroom area. Let me turn on the light. Once again, huge mirror. Cool lighting. Then you have your toilet area and your shower, or your bath shower combo. Here are the I've already shown you the living room, so let's go over to the bedroom that's now directly located to the left. This bedroom is actually larger, although the bedroom that I just showed you it's a tad bit smaller, but it has the balcony outside. All right, so you come in and here is your full-length mirror once again, so you can check your fit. You have the windows and they're very large, and I'll pull this back so you can just take a quick look. Once again, you have plenty of outlets on the lights, and I really like these bedside tables, dressers, that they have the outlets on them. I think that's cool. Your large and, might I add, comfortable bed. Once again, charging solutions here in your dresser drawers. Another wall, floor to ceiling window here. Take a quick peek. Go straight in now to your bathroom area, and you have this large closet. Let's take a look inside. I like the wallpaper here as well. Your ironing board, plenty of storage space. They have this little bag in there that has like an extra comforter or pillow if you need it. Plenty of clothes hangers. Straight through, and this is the toilet room area. Toilet room, you know, your toilet's in this area, as well as your tub shower combo with the cool wallpaper. And if I haven't said it already, this hotel was super clean. There's your hook, of course, on the back of the door. I like how the shower, although it's a shower curtain, which I don't necessarily like shower curtains, but it has that type of system up here that's like bowed out. So there was never an issue of that curtain touching my body. Here are your bath shower gel, your conditioner, and your shampoo. Please leave in the comments if you're like me and can't stand having shower curtains. You feel it's icky if it touches you. Let me know if you're like me with that. And it was a large step up, and I did not mind at all that they have this handrail portion in there. I didn't mind that at all. And then here is the area right here where you have your sink and more drawers if you need it. Your huge mirror with the cool lighting. Plenty of space on top to spread out all of your products, and I had so much stuff that I brought for this trip. Plenty of space, never an issue with space. And your towels and additional toilet paper were located right underneath in this area. As you can see, my stuff is everywhere. And here are your complimentary little available products. So, like I said, these rooms are huge. 2 people could very comfortably be in each one of these bedrooms. So one more time, here is a look at this room. It was a great hotel stay. We enjoyed it very much. Thanks a lot, New Orleans, Homewood Suites. You owe us nothing. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And we'll catch you at the next adventure.